Hi friends, this is 5 minutes YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can activate Zen Mode in your phone Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. First, go to the notification area and here you will find Zen Mode. This is Zen Mode. Just click on it and your phone will be down during Zen Mode and you can enjoy your life. Read here, phone down, enjoy life. Hearts as deep and calm as the ocean. 1 minute. Actually, it will have 30 minutes by default, and if you want to set just for 1 minute, so you can choose 1 minute, or you can choose up to 120 minutes. So you cannot use your phone up to 120 minutes and you can enjoy your life. So without having your phone, that is the enjoyment of our life. That's what it's saying. Wow. I will put it as 1 minute because we are having the hell life. So just 1 minute we will enjoy our life. And I go to let's go. To ensure Zen Mode works approximately, please scan the display over the other apps permission in the settings. So you have to give the settings display. Oh. So here give always and yes. Before you start, read the instruction. Here are some rules you need to know. Zen Mode cannot be cancelled once it started. Once it started, it cannot be cancelled. You cannot use your phone. Incoming notifications will be temporarily muted. No notifications can be sent to you. And third one is you may still receive phone calls and make emergency calls, but you receive call. Incoming calls will be received and you can make emergency calls. And final one is all apps will be temporarily locked except for the camera. Only camera will be activated in the Zen Mode and all others will be locked. If you are sure, then click on confirm and it will go into Zen Mode. Yes, it's gone and click on allow. So you have to wait 1 minute. You can enjoy your life within this minute and just you can do other works or you can just listen to this music and you can enjoy. Only you can do emergency call. Here is emergency call button. Just you can click on emergency call, and if you need any emergency, then you can type emergency number here and you can activate. Still 14 seconds to be going. Just wait. And yes, it's finished and it's showing fantastic, and you can also save it to gallery, otherwise you can share it to your friends. I clicked for saved to gallery. So in this way you can easily activate Zen Mode on your phone Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.